If you're like me and you're a busy person, but you want to look nice and professional, but just don't have a lot of time to mess with your hair, well, I can't wait to share my new favorite product with you, and it's called JuvaBun. And it's going to make your life so much easier. I know it really has mine. So I am a busy mom and a small business owner, and I do a lot of my work from home on the computer. So most of my day is spent with my hair back in a ponytail, right? It's functional, it works. I'm working from home on the computer, it's fine. But then what happens is suddenly I have an unexpected meeting with a client, or it's the end of the day and I'm going to go out to dinner with friends. And I could go like this, but I don't want to. I want to look a little bit more put together, a little bit more professional. So I could take my hair down, but by the end of the day, what happens? You have that funky crease in your hair, and that's not what I want either. So it's JuvaBun to the rescue. So back to how I spent my entire day with my hair back. All I'm going to do is at the end, just pull the hair through just a little bit to make a sloppy, messy bun. But this is a messy bun, not in a flattering way, but it's okay. Grab your JuvaBun, and since I already know that you can put your hair back in a hairband, I know you can use this because it's this good quality hair that's on a hairband. Can you tell it's stretchy? And you put it around your sloppy bun and you twist it, and you're gonna zhuzh it a little bit, fix it up, and in less than a minute, you have a great looking bun. And there, I'm ready to run out for a client meeting. I'm ready to go out to dinner. I'm loving it. I wear it most of the week. I find myself wearing my JuvaBun so many times every week. And look at how great the color looks. They have so many color choices that you don't really have to worry. You're gonna find something. And if you order a color and it doesn't work, once you put it on, you find it doesn't match the way you want it to, they have a 60-day free exchange program. So, with the first one you order, you'll have learned what kind of color works or doesn't work, and then you can exchange and find the one that works best for you. But look at how great that matches my hair. The other thing I'm finding with my JuvaBun is, because I spend most of my day with my hair back in a ponytail and a lot of my time is spent working on the computer, but what happens is unexpectedly there's a conference call, a Zoom call, and I still have that funky crease issue. That time, because I'm on Zoom and the load bun, it looks great in person, but when you're on a conference call, you're looking straight ahead. So then all I have to do, and you can time me, this takes maybe 2 minutes, is throw your hair up in a high bun, and if you want to, you could take the time to brush it, but you don't have to. And you want to get it up a little bit higher. And again, we're going to do that sloppy bun where you just pull it part of the way through. And no way I'm doing a conference call with a client like this, no way. But I grab my trusty JuvaBun, twist it around, zhuzh it a little bit so it looks, you're happy with the look. And look, perfect for a client call, a Zoom call, whatever profession you're in, this looks professional and great. So if you're a busy person like I am, who wants to look great, but you just don't have time, or maybe like me, don't have the skills to mess with your hair, JuvaBun takes all the hassle out of it for you. You look great, and literally in minutes. Really, probably a minute. So if you can handle a ponytail holder, you can have this look too. Thanks, JuvaBun.